everyone. Today we will be discuss the two very important concepts of biochemistry. The ester bond and the urea cycle. Although they sound very different, both play essential roles in keeping our body and life processing foundation smoothly. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about the ester bond. An ester bond is a chemical bond formed when a carboxylic acid group represented as a COOH react when an alcohol group represented as OH. When these two groups combine, they relate a molecule of water, H2O, and create an ester bond. So why is this important? Ester bonds are found in many essential biomolecules. A great example is in fat, or triglyceride. Here, glycerol, which has alcohol group, bonds with fatty acid, which have carboxylic groups. Together, they form triglycerides, the main store form of energy in our body. Another example is in DNA and RNA. The phosphate ester bond connect nucleotides together, building the backbone of our genetic material. In a simple term, ester bonds are like the glue that hold important biological molecules together. From the fat we store as energy to the very code of life inside our cell. Now, let's move to the urea cycle, also known as the ornithine cycle. This is not just a bond, but a metabolic pathway that takes place in the liver. Its main purpose is to remove excess nitrogen from our body. Here's how it works in a simple step. 1. When we eat protein-rich food like meat or eggs, our body breaks them down into amino acid. 2. Amino acid relates nitrogen in the form of ammonia, which is highly toxic to our cell. 3. The liver takes this ammonia and, through a series of chemical reactions known as the urea cycle, convert it into a less harmful compound called urea. 4. Urea is carried by the blood to the kidney, and finally, it is excreted in urine. In short, the urea cycle is like the body's detox machine. It prevents toxic nitrogen from building up and keep us safe and healthy. To remember easily, ester bond, the glue of important molecules. Urea cycle, the cleaner that removes toxic waste. So, to warm up, ester bond help build and store energy, while the urea cycle protects us by removing dangerous nitrogen waste. So, always remember, life depends not only on building useful molecules but also on removing harmful ones. Balance between construction and detoxification is what keeps us alive.